Hello and welcome to How to Make a Prezi Presentation, a courseware on designing and making zooming presentations with Prezi. On the previous video, we have made this untitled blank Prezi. In this video, we'll try to customize our Prezi. First, we'll try to change the theme. Even though we started with a blank Prezi presentation, we also have themes from here. So when you click themes, you have the option to use several available themes over here. The themes are basically color themes, wherein you can choose a different color style for your presentation. Let's say we choose sunset. Okay. The background of this one would be a little darker. Okay, here you go. And the colors of these elements will be different. For example, if I try to draw a bracket frame, so here are the colors for the circle, for the rectangle, and then arrows, lines, and the highlighter. So these are the elements of this theme. If you want, you can still change it while editing the Prezi presentation. Let's just delete them by holding the shift key and then drag and drop the elements. Delete. We can also customize the theme besides what is available here. So for example, instead of using this background color, we'll change it to something lighter, maybe a lighter gray, for example. So here's a preview on top, and then we could also upload an image that will be navigated in Parallax 3D. So I have downloaded this image, night sky, and it will then be uploaded to this Prezi presentation. This image is just a 2D image but will be navigated in Prezi in Parallax 3D. You could also customize your logo if you have a Pro subscription. So we have our image already. Next is you could also change the fonts and the colors of the text that you want to appear. So this is for the title one. So I'll try to use this. Then for the title 2, I'll stay with that one and the color. I'll stick to that. For the body text, I would also go for something like this one. Okay, and maybe lighter color, or maybe that one. Okay. The next is the color of the circle. So here we have the green circle. So let's say I'm going to choose this lighter yellow, or that one, this one. And then for the bracket, I'll choose this, and it will also use the same color as the rectangle, maybe darker, like that. Then the arrow here is dark. We just use something lighter. Same goes for the line. And the marker, this one over here, I prefer using the yellow, or what is it? The blue one. Okay, and then we're done. So we have here the background image, and then this is our canvas. If you try to draw the bracket, so we have there the gray brackets, the circle, the rectangle, we have the arrow, also the line, and then the highlighter. Okay, so holding the shift key so that we can select them all at the same time, and then delete. The image, by the way, I downloaded it from the internet, copyright to Mark Onrao, and then this will be navigated in Parallax 3D, like so. Cool, right? But we won't be using this one on the next videos. To edit this Prezi, just go back to customize current theme, and then click the X on the 3D background, and it will be removed from your Prezi presentation. And then click that. There you go. You could also restore or try to use this fresh color. I prefer this one. It's clearer, simpler, and nothing fancy. Okay, so that's it for customizing your Prezi. On the next video, we'll be adding contents to your Prezi presentation. So that will include text, images, videos, symbols and shapes, and even YouTube videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.